So you can start recording this.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I can see you are surprised to see us. We that is standing here, we have love and unity. We stand for the less privileged, the voiceless, and we also help the vulnerable people. And as you can see, we are here to visit you, love and unity, because we see while we are appealing to the public, we saw you and we felt it. And we have to say it's high time for us to visit you. That's why we have fought for. As I earlier said, this love and unity for all. We are the representative here in Nigeria. This is one of our members from the diaspora, but as far as around, you have to join us for the teamwork. That is why we are here to visit you. Because we really love you and we love your movie. You always make us to be happy. Even when I'm watching your movie, when I saw some movie for the first time, I still subscribe to those movies YouTube to watch them. I see the way you are really active, and we have to save a soul. We don't really have to look someone like you and know God will help you. I know we know God is a healer, and God will use people to save people's lives. We are not God, but with the little we can, that is why we are here to visit you and to visit you, not only visit you, to see what we can offer. Now that we have come here to see you for today, and more hands will always come. And we also pray that may the Lord heal you and He will place His healing hand upon you on behalf of love and unity. And we have this unity talking that we can help, and we can still be coming, but we just say, let us come and visit you. And I know you were surprised to see us. And as I said, and that name will always be in my mind. We are love and unity. We speak for the voiceless. We stand for the vulnerable people. We help the widows and the widowers, and we help the less privileged. That is why we are here. We are a group. We are not sent by government. It's an NGO. We are on our own subordinate. We help. That is what we are standing for. Maybe if you subscribe to our YouTube, you'll see us there. Or you go to our page, you'll see us there. We are love and unity. Not the government send us come. Not the politicians send us come. So we dey help people. We get a lot of people where we dey help. You understand? We dey open store for people wey don't get help, wey not dey fit open store. We dey help widows wey husband don die, wey get children. And we still dey take care of children wey we not born, wey birth. Now we dey take care of them, they go school, they do everything. Now wetin we dey do with that? And we dey feed. We dey do giveaway. Now we dey do. That is why we are here. We saw you on the where you were appealing to the public. We saw it on social media. That is why we are here to visit you, ma'am. Well done, ma'am. And on behalf of love and unity, we present this little trophy for you. Just manage it to God. With God, all things are possible. And we also want to pray for you that the Lord will place His healing hand upon you. And healing is your portion. Be sure of it. And you will go there and come back. You will not go there and people will begin to cry over you. You will go there and come back. People will come and rejoice with you. That is why we are only here. And we will always come and we will support you in all ways, financially, morally, and spiritually, and we'll keep praying for you. That is why we are here. And I don't know if you have anything to say. So we have a lot of people, as I earlier said while I was talking, I said we have the representative here in Nigeria. This our brother here is one of our, what they call it, is one of our pillar, a strong pillar that is standing here. Now, brother Deo is from Switzerland. But anytime any of them are here, they always join us. You know, feel not saying that he come from abroad or he got money went to the social us, he not go. You know what I'm saying? He follow us come. But me, this place where you just they see for years, so now here we dey, now we dey mobilize the team. Now we dey do the waka, we are the workers here. That's why I said we are the representative here. We have boss lady, we get our mama, mother. As this our brother and our papa for the group. We still get mother. We still get other top members. They abroad. Now we dey here. We be about 6 members who are here. The rest of them now diaspora they dey. You don't see our brother now. If they like no carry body, say I am where I come from abroad, I come dey raise shoulder for who? Now God, now what we dey do? Now wetin we say we want to do for people. Maybe you never see me before, you don't know me, but I don't see your movie, I don't watch it. Me say I want people to say yapaka. Now me know you put, you understand me, well done man. The Lord is your strength. Please just manage it. And if you have what you want to say to our viewers or to our people over there, that have sent us this errand, you can just say it.
Wetin I want to say, God bless you.
Bless you, Mom.
Their pocket will never.
Amen.
If they fight, they will just take.
Amen.
If they don't fight, they will just take.
Amen.
If they try help, they will see.
Amen.
As they do help for me, so I hope God will do it for you.
Amen.
You not go do for sickness.
Amen.
You go do for children.
Amen.
You go do for good life.
Amen.
Prosperity.
Amen.
The little thing where they put on, it will prosper.
Amen.
This work where they do, where they help people where they don't work. Where they help people where they don't get. They do anything as you want to, but God will reward them.
Amen.
Thousands of thousands.
Amen.
But as you may still follow the corner, you come out for Hapu, you they go for Hapu.
Amen.
Every person who will do it goes through.
Amen.
The hand we they put for pocket, they help people. That pocket will never leave.
Amen.
The enemy will never shoot arrow.
Amen.
Prosper.
Amen.
God bless you.
Bless you,
When I
Mom.
will see pocket,
Bless you, Mom.
children, they don't give you one. My God will bless you.
Bless you, Mom.
Everything will not still fight in the pocket.
Amen.
Now children will not be pocket.
Amen.
Now money will not be pocket.
Amen.
Good health.
Amen.
Thank you.
Bless you, Mom. Well done, Mom. The Lord is your.
Good morning to everyone. I bet if this message feel reach where a word dey, even I block everywhere I go. We go with message na wa show sick no you know what that message na. Yes. Yeah, whatever am I gonna iye tai. On amwe ne ono tene on amu. Ano mo no tema tamawe. Ologo no sike we tete matama. Uri yo he ti gwe gwo na tiri. Wa westa mujo mui. Ogwa na aku. Ni gbovo na gbovo. Ni mo na mo ni gogo na gogo. Yes. Me wa gogo waga aku. Me atam we na me gogo gogo waga aku. O ma me go pa ni ya gbovu wifa. O ma me go pa ni ya de against wifa. O ma me go pa ni ya etu wifa ku gbe waga ro ku bi ga gogo wo sie. Egbon ma vesta. Oh no me o me go. O ko no ma bie bugbe no me go. Egbon ma vesta. A lè rò ẹ́ no lè lọ fa do freda ọwọ́ ma. O dẹ́wò Esther mọ̀ wó bọ̀ yìí. Ọ̀rẹ́ ni wọ́n wó bọ̀ yìí. Ọ̀rẹ́ mọ́ ọmọ pé àwọn hù lẹ́nu ọ̀hẹ́ ìbílẹ̀ ẹ̀yí bíọ́rẹ́. The only way no oho no ro wọ́dọ̀ máa bí ẹbú gbé àwa náà rẹ̀ ro ọ̀dọ̀ ayé bọ̀ bá bùn rẹ̀ àwa náà yà mú oho náà báyìí kí ni mú wò yìí. Awúsù ihu no gbìnà yìí kù. Why me wa modo ni buwedo na ropa nu ya gba sorry many of them yeah many of them ya ma dejo rudu hu wa e o tedu ya like hu won sa rudu hu o wa no ma so wa ne ro ma bo ha do amomo jo